All right. What's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're looking at Disney. DIS is the ticker symbol. All right. It looks really, really juicy to me. Okay. So first off, looking at it, we're going to be looking right here at this big daily gap. All right. From 173 down to 164. Okay. So about 164 to 173. All right. That's your daily gap right there. Huge daily gap. All right. There's two ways that you can play this, all right? Because daily gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. And one way to play a gap is to do a debit spread. Okay. So what we can do here is we can buy the 160 call and sell the 170 call. All right. And basically we're doing that because we think that Disney, we're trying to play this gap fill up to 173. All right. So if you look at this, what you can do is you can buy and sell the 160 call and sell the 170 call. All right. Those currently will cost you $161.31 per debit spread with a max profit of 840. Okay. And your break even is going to be 161.60. So as long as by the end of January 21st, right? Disney is above 161, I think it was, right? Yeah, 161.61, then you're in profit. Okay. And if it's above 170, then you're at your max profit, at which your max profit was 840. Okay. I have a debit spread tutorial in the top right hand corner. If you need some help on a debit spread and are kind of lost in this video, that's a very nice explanation of it. Okay. So you can buy the January ones if you're want to do a little bit risky. Okay. It only has like a month out from now. 22 days till expiration, so pretty risky in terms of expiration dates, right? Or you can do something a little more conservative and buy those for the March. Okay, so you can go buy vertical and then do buy the 160, sell the 170, and let's look at how much one of these contracts will cost you. 304 with a max profit of about 700. Okay, so as you can see, this one's a little bit more conservative. It's got 3 months out on it, so there's much more time on it for you to be right on your play. And the max profit is just over a little bit over, you can turn like 300 into, almost 700. Okay. Whereas this other one, was a little bit riskier, right? But it pays, it would pay more. Okay. Because basically you're going 160, 170, and, the max profit on that is going to be 840. All right. So those are two bullish plays you can do to capture this gap fill if you think this gap fill will happen in the next month or the next 3 months, right? The next thing I'm going to go over is Disney's been a very good trade lately. If you look, we'll zoom in a little bit more to the 1 hour chart. So basically, I was looking at it the other day and wanting to, day trade it. Okay. So that's what these blue lines are. These are going to be my breakout levels, right? I like to have blue for breakout, bright blue. And if we break out above here, I'm going and buying calls and I'm betting it's going to go up. All right. And if we break below here, I'm getting puts and I'm betting it's going to go down. All right. So basically this red box is the supply zone. This is where you tend to see a sell-off. Okay, so this was our previous supply zone right here. Okay, and we're selling off in this area. I wanted to see, okay, are we going to sell off in this area or are we going to push and create new highs? All right, and this was the breakout level for it. As you can see, it had a nice huge candlestick breakout. Okay, we came back down and tested this as our breakout level as a support level 2 times now. All right, so twice it came down, tested it, and then we're up again. All right, so if you were able to average down or get an entry at one of these basically right here at this breakout level, then you're good. Okay, and you're still able to sell for some profit. And these are day trading things, so you definitely want to take profit on these. These aren't like swing trades, so you see that breakout, boom, get in, get out, make your profit. And it's two times it's tested that, came back and found support there at that 154.19 level. So yeah, that's basically it for Disney. Okay, Disney's looking good. I personally think it can run up. All right, but we do have to be cautious because we're currently sitting right in the middle of 2 gaps. Okay, there's a big gap down as well from 133 down to 128. and there's a nice gap up from 164 to 173. Okay, so you know, if the market goes into a bear market, we could end up seeing this bottom gap on Disney fill, but there's not really much negative catalyst left in the market as far as Omicron, CPI, Fed meetings, and things like that. So a lot of people are expecting January, possibly even February, to be a good month for the market. And if they are correct and those things go up, then Disney should be a part of that movement, and we could see Disney, you know, fill that gap above. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to trade with us, gain access to you know, all of my intraday thought process, okay, all the analysis I'm posting throughout the day, join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. The link is going to be below in the description. You can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership. All right.